Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Wish you many more birthdays to come. Stay strong and stay healthy, Tay. Dito lang kami to support you always. Di ka namin iiwan, Tatay. We love you, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday ulit, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tatay Digong! We love you!
Yan guys, Hong Kong.
God bless po. Sana makauwi ka na ng Pinas sa madaling na panahon.
Tatay, happy 80th birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Lahat ng pagsubok na ito, gagawin natin, makakayan natin ito. We claim it. Pagdasal namin ang kalayaan mo, Tatay. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tatay Digong! We love you! Makauwi ka na sa Davao. Soon, makauwi na pa. We love you, Tatay! Imuhang good health. O magkita-kita pa ta sa Davao, inshallah. Yun lang.
Guys.
Happy birthday, Tatay Digong!